आता आमका पेपर घेना आपला कॅबिनेट
घेईना मरे भितर आता 5 तारखेक तेका पळयता
एमएलए एमपीआय कर्नाटकाचे तांच्या लोकांक भूक लागला म्हणजे आमका भूक लागला जाल्यार हो कॅबिनेट भितर
on
गेला
the paper he said he is going to give tea for everybody. We are going there. Let him give tea at least. I don't know from whose pocket he is going to give us tea.
1 month it takes to take a decision. 1 month from BJP to Congress to BJP is coming.
साहेब तिथे ऑफिसार वचपाचें ना घरा कोण येता चाय का पयले आमकां एवरीबडी इज मोस्ट वेलकम फॉर टी वी आर गोइंग देयर ना वी आर गोइंग देयर वी आर नॉट डूइंग एनीथिंग थिंगा आपोदी थिंगा 5 जाणांक भितर एक लास्ट आमचो लोक येयलो ना ओके घरा कोण आमचो मोटीव कितें घरा कोण वचपाचें दाखोवपाक ओके आमी पीसफूल आमी 5 जाणांक घरा कोण भितर वचून ओके आमकां तियांनी रिजेक्ट केल्या ऑफिसान ताणें आमकां रिजेक्ट केल्या आमी भायर रावया मरे 4 जाणां बाकी सगळे भायर कितने टाइम जाला आमकां पळय अपॉइंटमेंट
told them go to your group. They won't come. He's not here. Where is he? They know. It's the second thing. Some other
appointment doing out
to come here.
Those who are outside,
you can suggest him that we are demanding him to come here, so that you can communicate. No.
SDM has already communicated.
Yeah, then we are demanding. We are going or standing here. No? He is not giving us appointment. What is appointment? Threatened. Their mobiles are removed today. I have written a letter.
This proposal is unanimously rejected.
Because I will tell you that they are allergic to your health minister.
No, see, you all agree that talks can be the only solution. You want to talk to the honorable minister.
You come and tell them what conveyed here afterwards.
Do you really think any serious talking?
What?
Standing here on the road.
If you again press me, I will again ask you.
So it's better that 3 to 5 people from your presentation can come with me to the office, and in the office you can
don't pay.
See, so far every protest BJP has worked out only with a dialogue. You have to make efforts. These people won't understand you're a leader. You need to think differently than them. If they say don't want, it doesn't work out.
So dialogue and initiate.
He already initiated.
Initiate now. 1,000 people.
Association. All go Fisheries Association. All go Fisheries Association.